Good morning.
Say yes, I'm the best, 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 best. Way too blessed, 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 blessed. Yes,
Look at these people watching Trisha. Look at these people. Back again. Back again, like we never left. All these people are watching Trisha. I think she's a mad woman. Listen. So what is up, you
my God, it's
two?
been so long.
It's been forever. So bye, babe. Oh my gosh. So we are on our way to Jamaica. Of course, like always.
All our vlogs are in Jamaica.
See, to solve this problem, I'm telling you, we just have to move to Jamaica. That way we can fly other places.
Right now we're going to get some tea because Ashley said I need to press gas. So I'm probably going to get tea and a bagel. What's on the agenda for today? Sorry, this lady is loud. Jeez.
What is on? We're gonna land. Go eat. Go get a curry goat patty from Devon
Oi,
House.
oi, 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 oi. Bop. First thing.
And then I want to go to Victoria's, Gloria's. Yeah, I want to go to Gloria's and get some fried fish. Yeah. Auntie. Forgot to tell you guys, tonight we're going to Hotbox at Epicon. We're going to Hotbox at Epicon. Yes, and we both got some tea to bust our morning gas. This is hot. This holder, this holder is not doing anything. Right, I'm gonna get some. I got a banana because I ate Jupiter Donuts. If you're ever in Palm Beach, you have to eat Jupiter Donuts. It's in North Palm. It's really good. So, yeah. Anywho, we're here. It's hot. It's okay. It's hot. They cut up stuff in Trisha's suitcase. When did they do that? You want me to stay? All right, I'm gonna stay right. Yes, so. Hello, how are you? How are you? I'm okay. Hungry, ready to eat. You know.
Reunion Island, baby.
Okay, so we're at Devon House now. Gonna go get a curry goat patty and some Devon House ice cream. In case I haven't said it yet, this is my birthday trip as well as a food trip. So like the last 2 times we didn't really get to eat, or I didn't really get to eat what I wanted. So this trip, my belly, I go bang the whole trip. Alright, so we came to Devon House and I was told that my shirt is spelt wrong. But the person whose quote it is. Anywho, we're at the Devon House eating patties. I didn't have any curry goat patties, so I have chicken. She have chicken. I tasted my first Guinness in how many months? It's probably been like a year or so since I've had Guinness, and I think I cried a little bit. Happy birthday! Trisha bought me a birthday gift. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Trisha got me a Michael Kors freaking, like, and it's a perfect size too, because I don't wear purses. Wait, it's a fanny?
Yeah.
It's a Michael Kors. Hold on. Oh, shoot.
Suzuki.
Trisha got me a Michael Kors belt fanny pack. Bro, how about I brought a belt fanny pack I plan on wearing, but guess I'm gonna wear this one, because this one, no. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Trisha. I do. And I'm in love with fanny packs, so this just makes it even.
This is for Dwayne to give his girlfriend if you are greedy.
So So, let me explain everything that happened last night. We bought a bottle of Appleton. We were all drinking, taking shots. We made some drinks or whatever. We said, yo, we're gonna play Never Have I Ever's, you know. Say hi, Courtney. So we all, so we're all gonna play Never Have I Ever to, yeah, get like, you know, hype, lit, whatever, we're playing music. I don't know what happened to twos. We end up back out on the road to go buy some more liquor because the liquor done. We come home. We don't know when everybody dropped asleep, but everybody fell asleep and wake up at like 2 o'clock in the morning. By the time we wake up, never felt to get ready to go anywhere. So we actually did not go anywhere last night, but I had fun. So yeah, feels good to wake up. Some mountains. Hold on. Can't see it. Can't see it that way either, but just know it's there. Facts. Okay, say hi. This is Caesar. I call him Suzuki because Trisha used to call him Swifter because we couldn't remember his name, and I call him Suzuki. Do you have anything to say to the vlog? No, hold it this way.
This way?
Yeah. You don't have anything to say?
Hi.
And tell me
Hey.
your name.
I'm
Tell me your
Caesar.
Instagram.
My Instagram is RIQUCASIR.
Why am I listening to these songs? That's fine.
No. No.
Make sure you bring back my peanut butter.
Yeah, we're gonna stop and get it. She wants peanut porridge, guys.
I'm obsessed. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh my God, like, oh shit.
Okay. Okay, so we're dressed and everything, and we are going to Portland for the day. And I'm excited. I'm excited to eat. I didn't get my peanut porridge. Thanks to this one. Forgot my peanut porridge. I was just telling them how you left my peanut porridge. Look what he wearing to the beach. Anywho. Hey, come. Listen. So, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm excited to eat some fried fish, some like lobster, crab, all of that. Super excited. Ketchup, anybody?
Wake up and I'm asleep, I sweat that. Bro, them get sticky. Yo, darling. Slimmers here. She have video me?
She says no.
Sorry, my man. Tell him my man wouldn't approve.
That's these are her men. She says
Wait! What?
Whoa!
What?
She have two, man.
these are her men. She says no. Her hands are full.
Yet.
You see him believes that cool man and a man in us. Someone said two cool man no make one black man. So one black man that. And two away and no. And a cool between us party.
Okay, so we're almost in Portland, and Courtney we pulled over to this nice spot. So let me show you guys. I am vlogging right now.
I'm so hot. It's such a hot day, y'all. Ooh, but this is so nice.
Yes, I need a picture right now.
Is he falling in love? What's up with who? Jamaica.
Mine just drop over your head.
At all. All right, guys. I don't know where we are.
This is called Hector's River. What am I explaining?
Tell us where you're at.
Right now we're on the very, very tip of St. Thomas. This place is called Hector's River. I don't know why. I guess because that's where the river was and it leads out to the sea. But as you can see, that's no more. Big up famous. Are your place this that? Welcome to Portland. Ting.
Oh my gosh! Wow, that just was fun.
Bag juice. I haven't had bag juice since I was how old? Let me tell y'all. I remember going to school lunchtime.
With a patty.
I'd tear up. Yes.
One patty and a bag juice. Literally.
Alright. So
Alright.
we're in Portland.
What should we order? Jerk chicken or jerk pork? Comment down below.
Or lobster.
Or we should have some conch.
You know, I've never had conch.
Conch. The good thing them.
Some what?
I've never had.
Conch.
I've never had. Conch.
I heard something else.
Yo. How I doing, man?
Alright, so we're about to look for something to eat. Comment down below if you think we should get, this one is this way, jerk chicken or jerk pork or something. Caesar messed with the video, so we just redid it.
That part we got. What is that?
Oh, the camera is on me? Hello, world.
Oh, this actually tastes nice.
Oh, it does? Room plum?
How it tastes?
The good thing them.
Conch before. It's my first time, and I'm excited.
And it's hot. Well hot. Because it's steamed. See it there? Well steamed.
What's conch again? Oh, in the shell.
You ever watch SpongeBob? And you pick up the phone?
Say it again. Yeah, have you ever tasted conch? Me either, but I like trying new things. Oh, what, that okra? Oh, that's why it's so slimy.
You look like that meme. Alright, so we are now on a raft. Ashley's on the next raft. I'm on this one with a stranger. Hopefully he doesn't throw me away at sea. But we're supposed to go to some island and take some pictures. I don't know. Oh my gosh, look at the water. Alright, so we took the raft and now we're here. Ashley's back there slinging. We're just taking some pictures. Here's Caesar on the phone. We kind of just chill and just walk through. The slide is not, or the swing is not comfortable.
to do some tourists. You know, I'm not a tourist, but I'm not gonna draw on tourists. You know, I got work today, but you know.
Not I got work today, but yeah, people. Alright, so we are vlogging. Here's Caesar and Ashley. Their entire raft ride has been about photos. Here's DJ Cooley.
Zagazao.
Yeah, so we're about to go on this swing thing. I'm about to show you these people on the swing.
I work, man, I work, you know.
Chicken in my jerk. Cheese. Cheese and bread. Turn the camera, get him coming down. Wait, is that Courtney? I'm dead. Yes, Courtney. Look at him at this. So we're at a party. You guys probably can't hear.
Before they get the band, them chugging that place. 1 1 and 5 years away.